Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about the first domain in AWS CCP, Amazon Web Services Cloud Practitioner. Define the AWS Cloud and its value proposition. We will cover only this today. So let's start. Cloud computing is on-demand compute power, database storage, applications, and other IT resources through a cloud service platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Cloud computing provides a simple way to access servers, storage, databases, and broad set of application services over the internet. What services currently you think are part of cloud? Office 365, Gmail, and Netflix. They all are running on the cloud. Netflix is built from the scratch on AWS. And it has been the premier or the enterprise partner for AWS. Let's talk about the characteristics of the cloud computing. First characteristics is on-demand self-service. That is, without any human interaction, you can access the cloud. Second, broad network access. The network access can be done through various client platforms. So not only you have the GUI or the console, but you have the command line, wherein through the programming language, you can connect with AWS and provision your servers. Thirdly, you can also call an API to do the same. Then we have multi-tenancy and resource planning. Multiple customers can use the same infra and application with security, wherein multiple customers are using your same infrastructure and they're sharing the same place. You can imagine the building wherein you are sharing with other tenants. Secondly, you have multiple customers who are being served from the same resources. So you can think of living in a building wherein everything is shared. Your swimming pool is shared, gym is shared, so you are using the same resources. Similarly, in IT, the resources are being shared among the customers. Finally, you have rapid elasticity and scalability, wherein as soon as you think or you see the server you need more capacity, you are able to expand and you are able to shrink the capacity of the servers on just the click of a button. And finally, the pay-as-you-go model, wherein you pay only for what you use. You don't pay for what you don't use. Now let's talk about the 6 advantages of cloud. The first one is capital expense to variable expense, wherein whatever you have to pay upfront, you don't have to pay now. Now you can pay on a monthly subscription basis. You can think of it like using a Netflix. You don't pay upfront, you pay monthly. Same can be used in your cloud. Then you have massive economies of scale, wherein you pay less when production is more and AWS becomes more efficient. Thirdly, you don't guess the capacity. You have the feasibility of on-demand service, so you don't have to guess capacity anymore. Fourthly, you have increased speed agility. So you will focus on your productivity rather than thinking about your data centers. And Fine. Fifth, you have don't spend money running and maintaining the data center. As in, you don't have to think about the data center because that is provisioned for you. And lastly, you can go global in minutes. In any part of the world, you decide to provide a service. Now let's come to the question for the final day. So based on what you have learned, you go through this question which says, what are the advantages you get from using the AWS cloud? Select two. A, trade capital expense per variable. B, gain greater control of the infrastructure layer. C, comply with all local security and compliance program. Or D, stop guessing about capacity. So floor is yours. I will wait for your answer in the comment below, and also will publish the answer when I see that 3 or 4 people have replied. Thank you.